Hello guys, welcome back to a new tutorial series of JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most important component for developing dynamic and more responsive HTML pages. By using JavaScript, you can make your HTML page more responsive and dynamic. Today's most of the web browsers support JavaScript, and there is no need to install any separate or any special software on your computer for working with JavaScript. The component you need is just a web browser that support JavaScript and any HTML editor. You can insert JavaScript directly into an HTML page. So in the first part of this tutorial, as an introduction, here I am going to create a web page that contain a simple JavaScript. So here on this text document, here I using Notepad for writing the JavaScript. Here I already created an HTML document. Okay, now I am going to implement a simple JavaScript here. For that, I create an HTML element. It's a paragraph element. This is a simple HTML paragraph. Okay, this is a simple HTML paragraph, and I'm going to save it. Save as. I save it into desktop with the name JavaScript 2.html and choose all file, save. Okay, now on my desktop you can see a new web page is created. I open it. Now I open it on the browser. Here is the I open it on browser. This is a simple HTML paragraph. Okay, now here I am going to print out another message using JavaScript. So for starting a script, you can use a element called a script. Of course, you need to close the script using the closing tag script, and you need to specify the type of the script. So type equal to, provide is double quotes and text bar JavaScript. This is the format. You need to specify what is the script. Here we using the JavaScript, that's why I specify type as text bar JavaScript. And here I am going to print out another HTML paragraph using JavaScript. So I call the function document dot write. This is the simple JavaScript for writing directly into an HTML page. This is a script message. This is a simple script message. Okay, so now I am going to save it and open up the browser. Now I refresh it. Now you can see that message is also appear on the web page. So now look at the source of this page. View the page source. Here you can see that you can see the script available on the code. This is a simple HTML paragraph, and here is the script. Okay, now I am going to add another script here. I copy this and end it with script tag. Okay, now I am going to replace this paragraph by using a script. So for accessing this element, HTML element, we need an ID. So I provide an ID for the paragraph tag. I give an ID of para here. So you can use the ID of an HTML element for accessing that element on a JavaScript. So here I am going to access this HTML element, and I am going to replace this paragraph with another paragraph available on the script. So For accessing that element, I'm going to call the function called document dot. First you have to find the element using the id. So document dot, there is a method called get element by id. On double quotes you need to specify that id. Here the id is para. For replacing the entire content within that element, you have to use a method called inner.html equal to, and specify that alternate paragraph. Okay, I just replace that paragraph using the script. So by I just call the method called document.get element by id, and here provide the id of the element, and there is no need to provide a dot here. This is a simple function, inner html equal to, and provide the alternative text. Don't forget to specify a semicolon here. Okay, now I save it and again open up the browser and refresh it. Now you can see that the first paragraph is replaced by the paragraph provided on the script. Guys, this is a simple HTML script directly embedded into HTML page. Please subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates, and please continue this tutorial.